Hello there guys, and welcome to this Budgie breeding update for the 5th of April 2017. Hope you're all okay. I've had to let chicks go already. I've had 7. I've had a very nice gentleman come and pick 7 chicks up, and I've got so many in the main aviary at the moment. It's all gone crazy, and more in boxes or hatching or coming up soon. So here we go guys, hope you enjoy. These are some of the new chicks that are out in the main aviary. Some very nice colours. Very happy with the start of my season so far.
They must have all come out of the bag.
And these are the ones that have found new homes already. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of these videos. Thanks a lot for watching guys, look after yourselves, see you later.